The next step to solving the Rubik's Cube is solving the yellow corners. When we solve the yellow corners, we may come across two different situations. Your Rubik's Cube could look like this, where two diagonal corners match up. At first, it may seem like no corners match up at all, but if you turn your cube, you'll find that two diagonal corners match up. This one and this one. Or your cube may look like this, where you have two corners that are solved like this, and you can turn them to match the correct color, and two corners are unsolved. So for both situations, there is only one algorithm. So we do the same algorithm for both situations, but if your cube looks like this one with where the diagonal corners are matched up, then you're going to have to do the algorithm twice. And if your cube looks like this, where two corners are matched up on the same side, then you're going to have to do the algorithm only once. Your Rubik's Cube could also be in this position where two corners are matched up, but they are on opposite side. For example, this yellow, blue, and red match up here, and at the same time, the yellow, green, and orange match up. So for this, you're going to do the same algorithm, but you're going to have to do it 2 times. You can hold your Rubik's Cube either way, like this, so that they're diagonally held like that, or like that. And you're just going to have to do the algorithm twice. So let's do it. Right inverted, front, right inverted, back, back, right, front inverted, right inverted, back, back, right, right, up inverted. So as you can see, these two match up. So we're in the first position. So again, you want to hold the face that matches up away from you. So that is going to be our back face. And you want to do the algorithm again. Right inverted, front, right inverted, back, back, right, front inverted, right inverted, back, back, right, right, up inverted. So you can see we've solved our corners.